Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now we already discussed about the PN junction diode and its functioning. Now we'll see the application of the PN junction diode. So first of all, we'll see the rectifier. Rectifier, it is a device which converts AC signal to the DC signal. That means the device which converts AC voltage to the DC voltage is called as a rectifier. Okay. Now here see in the diagram, you are observing that the symbol of the diode is shown here, and in that symbol the arrow represents the direction of the current. So direction of the current will always flow from p type to n type, positive to negative. Okay, so this is the symbol of the diode, and so in the circuit whenever we are using this symbol, the current will always flow from the p type to the n type. Okay, so we'll see here the rectifier. Rectifier, again one more time I will revise. Rectifier is a device which converts AC signal to the DC signal. Okay. Now rectifiers are of two types. The first type, it is the half wave rectifier, and second type it is the full wave rectifier. Okay, so we'll discuss one by one. So in this first type we'll discuss today half wave rectifier. Okay. Now in half wave rectifier, as the name suggests, only the half of the AC signal gets rectified, means converted into the DC. Now see here in this graph, the left hand side graph, it is the AC signal, positive half cycle and the negative half cycle. Okay, now it is the V input. Whenever it is passing through the rectifier, half wave rectifier, the right hand side we are getting the output signal. That output signal represents here only the positive half cycles at the output, that is V output, means output voltage. That means this graph represents that full AC signal, positive and negative, after passing through the half wave rectifier, we are getting only the positive half signals only in the one direction. Hence it is gets converted into the DC signals, and negative half will get cut out. So during the negative half cycle, the output of the half wave rectifier, it is 0. At that time we get V output 0. Hence there is a blank space instead of the negative half cycle. Okay. So let's see the circuit of the half wave rectifier. This is the circuit of the half wave rectifier. Now see in this circuit, very simple circuit it is. We are using only single diode along with the load resistance and input signal V in. So that is the AC input that shows the input voltage Vn will pass through the diode. Okay, now we'll see how it works. Now in AC signal there are two types of the signals, positive half and negative half. During positive half signal, the diode P type gets positive signal, that means P type connected with the positive, and N type will get connected to the negative of the signal. That means this diode is forward biased. Forward bias means what? It conducts the current. So current will start to conduct from P type to N type, and here the signal will pass through diode through load resistance, and we are getting output across the load resistance RL. Means whatever is the V input, as it is we are getting as a output. So the signal left hand side positive half cycle, output right hand side as it is positive half cycle we are getting. Okay. Now during the negative half cycle, during the negative half cycle, the negative will connect it to the P type of the diode. That means the diode gets reverse biased. Reverse bias means what? The diode now act as a open switch. Open switch means there is no flow of signals through the circuit. So whenever there is a negative half cycle, the diode will act as an open switch, and across the load resistance there is zero output. Hence during the negative half cycle of the AC signal, we are getting there the zero output. This is the only half wave gets rectified. So this is the working of the half wave rectifier. Only the positive half cycles can get rectified. Similarly, we can get the reverse also. Only negative we can get as a output. Okay. So, but this is important that how it works. This is half wave rectifier. Hope you understand today's video. If you have any doubt, then comment here, like our videos, share and subscribe our channel.